Hello guys. Today I am going to answer a very important question which I often get asked a lot. Is that why I trade Nasdaq instead of S&P 500 ES or SPX? Okay, so the answer is very simple, and it lies in my contrarian personality also. That I know for a fact that in order to make money, you need to do the opposite of the what majority of the people are doing, and majority of the people, they are either trading S&P 500 or Forex. So in this video, I will cover how trading S&P 500, you can trade it if you are expert, but most of the people, they lose money trading S&P 500 options and futures also. And contrast this with Nasdaq. Nasdaq is always going to give you an edge if you know your trading. So let's start with the example. So as you can see that on 26th of April, I called the bottom over here. And since then, we can see a very good trend on the daily time frame of the Nasdaq, and it is continuously going up. And we have our targets, right? We are looking for our targets, and the targets are going to come in this manner, which I discussed yesterday, that it is going to do this and do this and do this, and then it will suddenly go this. Suddenly it will go this. It will do this, do this, do this. It will suddenly do this. So clearly an uptrend is going on since the bottom has been called over here and then here. You remember this time when I posted a video last week? It was during my exam that bears are trying to fight the plan, and then the next day immediately we got this big green candle. Similarly, we will get another green candle in coming days. Contrast this with ES. You are going nothing. You are going flat over this time. And there is a reason also. S&P 500 is composed of many sectors, like it's composed of technology, healthcare, financials, real estate, energy, materials, consumer discretionary, industrials, and whatnot. Compare this with Nasdaq. It is mostly composed of technology stock, and that too, it is heavily weighted on the few stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Google. So on one side, you are trying to juggle all the balls like real estate, financials, consumer discretionary, real technology, banking sector, and whatnot. On the other hand, you are just looking at one stock. Oh, sorry, technology stock. And that's why you can get good trends if the technology stocks or one sector is doing good, against the fact that in S&P 500, I will show you over here. He has got the depth, but over that time, over here at that time, there was a lot of noise about banks failing. So I think hardly few people would have bought over here. It took guts to buy S&P 500 over here, but technology stocks were bottoming over here. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Also, I will tell you one more thing, that SPX, because most people trade options, right? So SPX, because it is composed of many many sectors, it will not follow the Fibonacci rules always. For example, this up move didn't even break the stop. it should have gone here as per the Fibonacci rules. Like in the ES futures, it went here. So if you are trading futures, you are fine. It fulfilled the Fibonacci rules. But most people are trading options. So they were caught off guard. So they were still thinking that our rules should be met, but we got a red candle and the red candle and the red candle, and their accounts were blown. Compare this with QQ. QQ still followed the Fibonacci rule. It broke the top and it met the Fibonacci target. So that's why I prefer Nasdaq, because it tends to follow all the rules. And because most of the people are trading S&P 500, there could be a lot of manipulation there also, because banks know that lot of dumb money is there. But Nasdaq, I think it is maybe expensive to trade, so less number of traders are over here. But the structure is a lot cleaner, and you tend to get, trending moves like this, like this, like this. Whereas S&P 500 is going flat over here. And now most of the people in ES are looking for this, but only we know that we'll break up like this. But that is a different topic. I'm just telling you why Nasdaq is superior to S&P 500. And also, let's come to Forex. Forex is a stuff of uh, pro traders only. But most of the people who start trading, they start with Forex. And I will tell you my example also, that in Chief Yen, in Swiss franc yen, I bought around here. I remember, and I knew it would go over here. My targets were over here, and when it went here, it was doing like this. I knew it would break up like this. But do you see this candle? You know what it did? It took my break-even stop and then it went up. So I was so mad that I knew the direction. Even still it fooled me, and it took me out, and then it went up. So nevertheless, I still got my trade, but and I think it will still go up. But I'm just telling you that Forex will always do you. It will take you out before going. It will always take you out. Whereas indices are much better, it's much simpler, and they they tend to trend, especially Nasdaq. Nasdaq tends to trend a lot because of Apple, Microsoft, Google, etc. All the good stocks are over here, so they tend to trend. If you compare this with Dow Jones, there's a reason why I don't like Dow Jones. Many people, they love it, but again, Dow Jones is very choppy. Overall, it's trendy, but it is very choppy. Like it it will fool you a lot, and most of the time it will just not give you big trades. Right now, I'm expecting it to go up, but it will just waste time a lot before going up. So that's why I don't like Dow Jones also. So best instrument to trade, in my opinion, is Nasdaq, because the structure is a lot cleaner. Now look at this structure over here for Dow Jones. Now I will show you the same structure in Nasdaq. In Nasdaq, it is much more beautiful. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. Compared this with Dow Jones. a big bullish pin bar at the bottom, most of the people would be longing it, and they will be taken out. So this is the reason why Nasdaq is much more superior than S&P 500, Dow Jones, or Russell even. Russell is also full of mess. I think Russell is ready to go up, but look at the mess. Look at the mess. During this time, we made so much money in Nasdaq, but look at where Nasdaq has gone. Where Russell has gone? Nowhere. Where Russell has gone? Nowhere. So, in my opinion, if you are a new trader, you should still stick to Nasdaq. Maybe it's a bit expensive to trade, but you will not. Chances of you losing money will be a lot less. But one more thing. Right now, Nasdaq is about to top and reach the targets, but ES has a much bigger target to reach. So you need to decide upon this thing. Maybe some rotation will occur. So I will just coordinate my trade with the Nasdaq, and I will keep an eye on ES that what's going to happen. I think in ES we are right now over here, and we are due this. So we will do like this. So this is what I'm thinking. But in Nasdaq, we are here, and we will do like this before side. So what do you guys think? If you agree with me, then let me know in the comments, and kindly like the videos so that I can continue making the continue being part of your trading journey. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.